You guys, something crazy happened last week and we need to talk about it. There was a woman that made $1.2 million selling a digital product in just a couple of days. Now, hi, I'm Rochelle. If you don't know me, I walked away from my 9-to-5 because I learned how to sell digital products. I made $148,000 in my first 7 months. This lady here, Jessie Jean, she made $1.2 million. Now, what you need to know is 6 months before this, she had zero audience. She started posting on social media from zero, from scratch this year. And now she has just executed a $1.2 million launch. She is not selling make money online or digital marketing, okay? First of all. And so we need to talk about this. This is something different. I'm stood up. I'm so excited about this, right? We need to talk about this because this dispels literally every limiting belief that's out there. Everything that you tell yourself that you're not an expert, that you're starting from zero, that nobody wants to learn from you. She thought these things, right? She started from zero too. She had no experience and she learned in public. What did she do? If you haven't heard about her, she started her Instagram just yapping, just talking, right? It's a whole content type now, the yap, okay? And she talked about being a career confused millennial, someone 35, okay? A lot like me, who didn't know what they wanted to do next in her career. And she was just documenting the journey, the highs, the lows. She didn't come into this as an expert because she wasn't. She started her Instagram from zero, just like you could do tomorrow. She learned one skill, which was how to talk, how to be engaging, how to make her audience feel seen, how to share this experience with the masses. And then she launched a challenge. She launched a digital product. It was $297. It is a challenge teaching other people this skill that she learned in public. Not an expert. And she grew her audience from zero to 300 and something, I think 380K, just yapping, just sharing her experience. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people that are doing reactions on this on social media are saying, oh, it was her first digital product and she launched it and made 1.2 million. That's not actually true. She was selling a $47 ebook before that because I went back, right? I had to check. The month before she did her $1.2 million launch, the most she'd made was $7,000 from content creation. Now, I don't know if all of that came from her ebook or some of it might have came from brand deals. I don't know. I just know the month before that, she made $7,000 and I know that she was selling a $47 ebook. Now, that was on, I think, furniture flipping. That's her other passion point that she talks about. Then she decided to do this launch, focusing on one skill, the yap. The art of talking to people, the art of connecting with people and making people feel seen. That is the product she launched. She launched it for $297, still very low ticket, and it is a digital product. It is a challenge. Now, she had no experience, had no audience 6 months ago. She also had no team. Okay, she hired a VA very recently, but other than that, it was just her. And so these are all the things that you probably think that you need to make $1 million. You think that you probably need an audience for years and years. You think that you probably need to be an expert. You think that you probably need a big team. This woman had none of those things. Now, I talk a lot when it comes to digital product about there being two routes. There is the product first, where you create your product and then you go out and find the audience that's interested in your product. That's how I built my business. That's how I like it, because you start getting paid right away. But if you have the patience like Jessie Jean and you are able to show up on whatever platform you choose to build your community, she chose Instagram. If I was doing it, I'd probably choose YouTube. And you post pretty much every day. She was posting, building this relationship over time. Then you launch your product. You could have a big launch because you've already built trust. And so there is no right or wrong way to do it. Is everyone going to have the same results as Jessie? Probably not. But if you are patient enough and you want to build a community first, and you can actually get by in that time when you're building a community, then do it that way. Build your community. Have a community to launch to. Otherwise, build your product, and then create your content focused on connecting with your audience. You want your audience to feel seen. You want your audience to connect with you. And that is why in the age of AI, having a personal brand, having the ability to actually share your experiences, it will always be a profitable skill. What she did wasn't about AI prompts. What she did wasn't about regurgitating other people's content. It was about going through an actual journey herself of being career confused and not knowing what to do, sharing that online, being able to relate to other people, building trust, understanding the art of sharing your experience, and then building a digital product in public and not being an expert. This is not a video that I would usually do, but I was so inspired by this woman, and I hope it inspires you too. She started from zero, just like you. Imagine how much your life could change if you decided today that you was going to show up for yourself, that you was going to actually share your journey. And we've all been on a journey, okay? And that you was actually going to build community, you was actually going to learn in public. I did this. Look at my first YouTube videos. I'm learning with you. And then as soon as I've mastered it, I'm able to turn that into a digital product that can help you solve a problem. Guys, this is not my normal type of video. I'm standing up. It's very different. But if she can do it, any of you can do it. And so the next video I really want you to watch is my step-by-step course on how you can start selling digital products. Because if you can do what Jessie did, if you can create a community, but also have a digital product like she did, she had a digital product at first, so you can be getting paid along the way. And then as soon as you've built that community, you can launch your second digital product and clean up. Why wouldn't you? So watch this video on your screen next, and I'll see you there. Oh, and let me know, by the way, do you like videos like this? Let me know in the comments. If you don't, that's fine. As soon as I'm inspired, I'm going to make them anyway. Love you lots.